Hi everyone, my name is Tara and I look like shit right now. Welcome to my move-in vlog. I arrived in Chicago on Monday, so yesterday, and I move in Wednesday, so tomorrow. I'm very excited. I went to Target yesterday and today I also went to Target again. And I also went to Costco to pick up a couple things, so I'll just roll the clips of what I have when I was there. Sorry for the quality change, I was using my phone. But tomorrow, hopefully I'll be using only my DSLR. I'm very excited. I'm going to show you also how I'm packing it tonight. And hopefully it won't take more than one trip tomorrow, so let's get started. I'm in Target right now picking up a last few things that are on my list. Actually, a lot of it was left on my list, so I'm picking it up today, and I also have tomorrow to do that, so I'm not worrying if I don't get it today. I'm gonna get more of the bigger things tomorrow, like a couple bins and stuff like that, but I'll show you what I got today. Alright, I'm currently in my grandma's house, and my stuff is kind of sprawled out throughout her front living room area. It's my microwave. This one has my winter clothes and the suitcase I'm going to leave in my room at all times. This one has some dorm stuff in there. This box has random dorm stuff that are still in boxes, such as like my lamp, my heater, my steamer, and stuff like that are in the box. And some decorations as well, and more decorations are in here. My mattress topper, I got it on Amazon. I'll link it down below. This is a vanity mirror. I was gonna bring mine from Houston, which is like pretty expensive, but my dad was scared it was gonna crack, so we just got a new one here at Costco to this morning. This one's like 20 bucks, so I would get on that deal if I were you. This is the printer. I wasn't really planning on getting it, but my sister told me I should get one. It's by HP. Looks really nice. This one has all clothes in it, but I've transferred out all my t-shirts and stuff like that, so most of it's just hanging clothes, sports bras, socks are in here. And then I got this amazingly soft body pillow today at Costco as well. This was like $15. And then lastly from Costco I got these two pillows, and it's great because I have two sheets, and also my duvet cover comes with a sham, so I will have one extra sham left over at all times. In this basket, I'm just gonna borrow it from my aunt. It has one of my throw pillows, and this is from At Home. And then under it has a ton of random things. All I got were from Target yesterday. This is my duvet cover. I'll show you that really quick. Looks like this. Looks great. Looks great. This is a trash can filled with a ton of things. Cotton rounds, exfoliants, command strips, a razor, ton of things, really a ton of things. Band-aids, medicine, Motrin, all that random stuff. A mattress protector, I got that yesterday because it was on sale. Hair ties, Markman strips. I bought this with me, but then I bought that detergent, so I decided to put them together. And these are notebooks. I'm not really sure if I'm going to use them or not, but better to have them than not to have them. And then yesterday at Target I also bought this thing, which is a big tub, and it has a lot of random things in it. But it has decor, some plates and bowls are in there, shampoo right here, lots of random things. But we'll see all that tomorrow. Instead of buying the velvet ones, because they were way more expensive, these were like $2 a piece, so I got 3 set of hangers, black plastic. I know, not the best. I have velvet ones at home, but they're all mismatched, so I decided not to bring them. The last thing is this chest I got. It's a 3-drawer cart from Target, and I just started to put stuff in there. These are my sweatshirts, t-shirts, shorts, and legging. I mean, what is this called? Sweatpants. And then under my reusable bag here, I bought all my leggings and one of my umbrellas. This is subject to change, of course. And so that's it. That's all I'm gonna bring. And I know a lot of people bring a ton more, but a lot of people bring a ton less. I think I brought a good amount. yeah. Hey everyone, it's around 8 o'clock now and I'm just now done getting ready. I woke up around 7:15. I'm all changed. Hair is oily. Face is oily as well. Well, we're moving. It's okay. Alright, so I'm gonna go show you guys the car. We packed it up really quickly actually, like 30 minutes. It's filled up. The car, it's super filled. But we do have some spaces. So the suitcases are here. One of these have clothes. One of them have dorm stuff like decorations, stuff like that. And then the one right here is like winter clothes, like I said earlier. The 3-drawer is right here. I took off the wheels that I had on it so it would be easier and it wouldn't break. This is my mattress topper. And then if we open the side door, it's pretty filled as well. I've even utilized the space down here for my overnight bag, and I've locked everything the way I showed you yesterday, and I just kind of put it in the car. It wasn't too crazy hard. The box is right here. I don't know if you can see that, but it's right there. On the other side it has my body pillow and the tub that I showed you, and the printer's right there. Hi, excuse the mess behind me. I'm still moving in. It's currently 7:15. I came here at 10:15 and I finished around 11:45 with the majority of the room, but I was hanging out with my dad and we were running errands until like literally 20 minutes ago. Then he dropped me back off here and now I'm just trying to finishing my room, hopefully by tonight, because I'm trying to give my roommate some time in the room tomorrow to finish setting up her things as well, because she hasn't moved in yet and I want to give her, you know, like her own time here. But I just have a lot of little things to do and they could all be done like later on in the future, like getting storage bins and stuff like that to put on top of my dresser because it just looks kind of messy to me, but obviously that can be done later. Okay, I would show you guys my view, but literally it's the worst, not the worst view, but it's not a great view at all. I'm kind of bummed about how ugly it is. But what can you do? You can't change rooms now, you're already in it. I'm in it for the long haul. Hopefully next year it'll be cuter. You ready? All right, here is the best view of the entire campus. This is the top. It doesn't look very clean, of some type of building. No idea which one. I have some nice looks of the sky. There it is, there it is. And if I can peek around the corner here, I can see just a tiny bit. I don't know if I can show you. Oh, right here. Right here, I can see just a tiny bit of courtyard people. It's literally a move. main thing is that I kind of forgot to update you on how the room went. But basically, I'm done now. I'm as done as I can get today. But I am just gonna give you a really quick overview because I want to do a dorm room tour. But it's not obviously completely done. Really short, quick, little overview. Because again, I want to give you a really comprehensive dorm tour. I think it'll be really fun. But I hope you enjoyed this video. It was literally all over the place. SD cards ran out of storage. Things just were not in my favor today. So also, I don't know if the sliding is either. But I'll see you in my next video. Hopefully it'll be more cohesive and more organized, put together, anything to make this better. Maybe more in focus because I'm out of focus right now. Okay, thanks for watching. Click over here to subscribe.